what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to part 2 on painting the 1969 Camaro from Revell. And this is part 2, so we are doing to get clear. If you have not seen part 1, I'll leave a link to that video in the description down below. Part 1, we did the body color, and in this video, we are doing the 2K clear on it. So I let the body dry for overnight. I went ahead and put on the stripe decals, and right now what I'm doing is I'm putting on a very light mist coat over just the decals. Just so the decals get used to it. And decals, they have a little bit of hump because the decals are raised up off the body color, or off the body you want to call it. So we're putting on this little light coat, so again decals get used to it, and it'll even out the clear that's going to be, for your first coat, second and third coat to lay on top of, and you would not feel the decals at all with that. So that's what we're doing, this little mist coat. After this mist coat, we let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then we move on to our first coat. Again, I am waiting in between 10 and 15 minutes in between coats before I move on to the next coat. So keep that in mind, but that's it for me. Enjoy this video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And until next video, we'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy and enjoy. And also stay tuned at the end of the video. We do have still pictures at the end. And this color looks absolutely amazing at the sunlight. But alright, guys. Until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.